What's up, folks? Thanks for checking out my channel, Big T's Recipes, and today we're going outside, cooking on the pellet grill, Monterey chicken, 3 different ways, and you're gonna wanna check this out. Okay, so first I'm going to season my chicken breast with a mixture of salt, cumin, chili powder, and a Southwestern seasoning blend. So you want to get that on both sides. And the cumin and chili powder really just give a good color. And chicken breast can take a lot of seasoning, so don't feel like you've overdone it. We've got our chicken. Our grill is almost to 325 degrees. We're gonna cook this to an internal temp of 155 and then apply our toppings. Okay, our chicken has reached 155 degrees internal. Now it's time to put it in a pan or a skillet and sauce with your favorite barbecue sauce. And don't be shy, get it all over. We're gonna go back on the grill until our internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, and then we'll finish our toppings. All right, our chicken has reached 165 degrees internal temperature. I'm gonna top each with bacon. But I'm gonna put a twist on each and every one of these. Traditional Monterey chicken is just barbecue sauce, bacon, and cheese. There you have it. I'm gonna add some Chipotle Rotel to this one. And I'm gonna add some sautéed onions and peppers as well. So you just figure out which Monterey chicken you like the best, and you can never have enough cheese. Freshly shredded is the best because it melts much better than the pre-packaged shredded cheese. Okay, you can either throw this back on the grill or back in the oven. I'm just gonna put a tinfoil tent over and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This chicken is off the chain. You got bacon, cheese, barbecue sauce. You get it at a restaurant, but you can make it in the comfort of your home, and it's outstanding. I cannot wait to take a bite. It smells delicious. Megan, what about you?
You ready? I'm excited. Cheers.
Cheers. I'm just telling you, that's juicy chicken. It's good.
That was really good, babe. I love that. And you know me, I'm plain Jane, so I just like the cheese, the bacon, and the barbecue sauce.
This is barbecue chicken just taken up a notch. It's easy. You should have everything in your pantry or in your refrigerator ready to go. Throw it on the grill, throw it in the oven, and you're gonna love this. It's a quick, easy weeknight meal the whole family will enjoy. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you learned something new, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss Big T's next recipe. Cheers.
We'll see y'all next time.
Hey, you're how?
Okay.
That's juicy.
Here's some in your mouth. That light is bright.
I know. I've been telling you that for 6-7 weeks now.
Do I have to say it again?
No, because you got it on camera.
I love it. You're gonna love it.